Welcome to Wig Making 101. My name is Nakia. I am the creator of Wig Making 101 online, and I am going to show you guys how you can learn online. How does Wig Making 101 teach our classes, and how having specific devices will help you to learn. If you are interested in teaching and doing your own type of thing that requires you to teach by hand, I am showing you how I do it and how you can do the same thing. Yeah, so watch. All right, so I'm going to show you really quickly what the setup looks like. And again, this setup works for both an instructor as well as a student, okay? So let's say for both instructors and students. So you can see I'm on camera right now. I actually have my laptop connected to my TV with an HDMI cord. This makes it a lot easier for me to be able to see what's going on, and I keep my volume or my audio working on my desktop or computer device. So student or instructor, you should definitely have a laptop because things are a lot larger for you to be able to see, and this is probably where you want to be able to hear. I don't want to say hear, but where you would be able to speak to instructors and as well as to students. So this is the first setup that I have here. And then this is great for those who are teaching as well as those who are learning. And I'll explain. So you see at the top. But this view that you see here with the camera, it's right over it. I'm going to link down below where you can get this, which is on Amazon, but I'll link it directly to it down below. But this is how you want to try and have your setup for when you're teaching as well as if you're learning. So when you are teaching, you have something sturdy to sit your wig head on or your block head on. You have your tools and things close by. You have a tripod that actually can see straight down into the right down into what you're working with. So if you're wondering what that looks like, there it is right there. It's also on the TV screen. I'll put my hand there so you guys can see. So that's how you want to do that. This also works for if you're learning. So if you are learning online, you want to make sure you got a light above. And learning online, we as instructors are able to see what it is that you are doing. So I am able to see what you're doing if you have the exact same setup as an instructor. Okay, so here is again the basic setup. You need a laptop because things are larger and easier to see. You want to make sure that that device, the audio and everything works, and that you can mute and unmute yourselves because we use Zoom because that's what we're on. And for teaching and for learning, for teaching, so you can be able to show them, your students, very clearly what's going on and how to do it. You got lighting in place. You have this sitting right on top so you can see what's going on. And if you are a student, we can see if you add in your device because you can actually join in on a live on 2 devices. Okay. The only one that will not have its audio working is this one. This will not have its audio working. So you don't have to accept that. Just cancel it. That way you don't have to worry about turning the audio on or off here. You'll just have to do it from here and just keep it like that. So that is the basic setup for learning and teaching. Again, in Wig Making 101, we use the Zoom app. It allows us to do a lot with it, and we monitor more. So hope this was helpful. For those of you who are with Wig Making 101, want to welcome you. And those of you who are not, at least you got an idea of how we do things. And I'll see you guys in the next video.